Viewers, the big story that we have for you this afternoon is what is happening in the Parliament. Budget session of Parliament is currently underway, but day after day, what we are witnessing is uproar, sloganeering, ruckus and complete disruptions. In fact, a short while ago, Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal was speaking. He was making a statement in the lower house of the Parliament about the trade deal between India and the United States of America, because after the announcement was made by both the leaders, there were several questions that remained unanswered. So he was trying to tell the House and to the entire country that actions are guided by national interests, and he says that the sensitive sectors will remain protected. He was referring to, in fact, agriculture and dairy sectors specifically. Now, viewers, when he was trying to make this statement, there was massive sloganeering and ruckus that continued, something we witnessed during the question hour as well when the proceedings of the day began. And the visuals you can see on your screens right now. So opposition MPs were not only indulging in ruckus and sloganeering, they stormed the well of the House and they were also raising placards and posters, something that can be clearly seen while the Union Minister was speaking, the one that you can see on your screen right now. So this is how Union Minister made the statement. Take a look at what happened in the Lok Sabha a short while ago.
भारत और अमेरिका एक संतुलित और पारस्परिक रूप से लाभकारी द्विपक्षीय व्यापार समझौते का संपन्न करने के उद्देश्य से नियमित रूप से चर्चा करते रहे हैं। इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए दोनों पक्ष के वार्ताकारों ने पिछले एक वर्ष में विभिन्न स्तरों पर गहन बातचीत की है। दोनों पक्षों के महत्वपूर्ण और विविध हितों को देखते हुए यह स्वाभाविक है कि दोनों पक्ष अपनी अपनी अर्थव्यवस्थाओं के महत्वपूर्ण और संवेदनशील क्षेत्रों की रक्षा करते हुए सर्वोत्तम संभव परिणाम सुनिश्चित करना चाहेंगे। इन वार्ताओं के दौरान भारतीय पक्ष अपने संवेदनशील क्षेत्रों, विशेषकर कृषि और दुग्ध क्षेत्रों के हितों की रक्षा सुनिश्चित करने में सफल रहा है। अमेरिकी पक्ष के भी कुछ ऐसे क्षेत्र थे जो उनके दृष्टिकोण से संवेदनशील थे।